Hi guys, so welcome back. So as you know, right now we have almost installed and configure our SCCM server. So now it's time to start a SCCM client installation on a client computer. So for that, first we need to create some GPU on domain controller. So there are 2 to 3 GPUs. So I'll make a short video so you can understand easily. So log on to your domain controller, open a server manager, click on tools and select the group policy management, right? And also I'll let you know that I have a OU called India, and under workstation I have added 3 computer, Windows 10 and Windows 7. So we'll create GPU on workstation and see if it's work or not. So before that I want to move my one object from workstation to SCCM. So this is for different purpose, I'll let you know later. So come to that point, open a group policy management. Expand your forest domain, your domain controller, and the OU, or if you want you can apply this policy on entire directory, but best practice, create a group policy on particular OU. So just right click on workstation, create GPU in this domain and link it here, name it. So guys, I choose like a big name, so you can choose a short name which can help you to understand what this policy is doing. Okay, so as I mentioned, add SCCM server in local client computer, so local computer administrator group. Okay, so click OK, then expand this workstation OU, right click here and click edit. From computer configuration, click on preference, then control panel. Let me expand it here. Local users and computer, right click here, choose a new local group. Here we are not going to create a new, we just want to update our existing group. Okay, so click browse, so we don't need to click on browse, we need to scroll down here and select a administrators. This one, administrators groups, and now we need to click, on add button. From here we need to find our server, so click browse, object type, select computer, OK, and type your SCCM server name. Okay, so select the server, click OK, again OK. So you will get this error, this object select does not match the type of destination source, select again. Okay, so what we need to do here, just type your domain name STP SCCM, then $, and click OK. Now you can see we have successfully added our SCCM server in this item. Okay, click on apply and OK. So guys, our policy is applied successfully. So what we need to do now, Just check, let me check. I have a Windows 10 PC inside this OU. So what I'll do, I'll type cmd gp update /force. Okay, let this update, and now we need to turn on our Windows 10 PC1. So just open this. I have already opened this snapshot, so I'll show you again. You just need to log on to your client computer, and if you click on manage local user and groups, and see, now at this moment policy does not affect this computer or applied on this computer. So what we need to do, first we need to make sure our server is pingable from our client computer. DC01. Okay, so my server is reachable from my client computer. So now I need to type gp update /force. So you can see the computer policy has updated successfully, but I'm pretty much sure that will not able to see this one. So it's great if you can click on groups administrator. So now you can see our SCCM server is part of our client computer local administrator group. So guys, this will help us a lot while we are trying to push our client on our endpoints, or you can say Windows client computers. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.